Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the English second paper class. Dear students, I hope you are safe and sound in this critical situation of coronavirus. I am also fine. You know that the whole world is affected and infected by this invisible virus. However, I shall have to be introduced myself. I am Mohammad Sadir Hossain, lecturer in English, Ranasabli School and College, Kishoreganj, Nilphamari. Dear students, your study has been hampered for this critical situation. That is why I would like to teach you something. Today I will discuss preposition and also appropriate preposition. You know that preposition is a difficult chapter and it is also confusing. Most of the students of our country fall in confusion while answering this item. Let's have a look at the whiteboard. I have written here some sentences where you shall have to insert or write down preposition and appropriate preposition. This item is of English second paper, HSC English second paper, item number 2. Dear students, number 1, I have written we shall discuss dash the matter. Number 2, there is a bridge dash the river. Do you follow me? Then number 3, the book is dash top of the table dash the kitchen. Here you shall have to insert 2 prepositions. Next, that is number 4, they are sanguine dash they are bright future. Number 5, Albert Einstein was indifferent dash name and fame. Number 6, the old man had a strange mad look dash his eyes. Number 7, he passed dash a few days ago. And last of all, I have written a sentence that is, everybody is pleased dash his conduct. Dear students, you know that preposition is always fearful. I think most of the students do wrong while answering preposition. However, let's discuss the sentences I have already written on the whiteboard. Number 1, we shall discuss there is the matter. Here there is a gap. Sometimes we do wrong while answering preposition. Discuss is a verb. Discuss is a verb. We generally do not write any preposition after the verb discuss. Sometimes you use some prepositions after discuss, but actually discuss does not take any preposition. That is why the sentence is already correct. We shall discuss the matter. There will be no preposition after discuss. Next, there is a bridge. There is a bridge. Dash the river. You know that on and over, there is a difference. Preposition on and over, there is a difference between these two prepositions. Over is used where there is a gap. Where there is a gap. We use on an object on the table, on the floor, on the box, on the almirah. But over is used when there will be a gap. There is a bridge over the river. Here over will be used. Over. Dear students, can you follow me? Over. Let me write over. Okay? Number 3, the book is dash top of the table. There's the kitchen. You know that on is used on an object. That is why the book is on top of the table in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Inside. In here means inside the kitchen. The book is on top of the table in the kitchen. Here on and in will be used. On top of the table in the kitchen. You shall have to practice much more if you want to get full credit in this item. Number 4, they are sanguine. Sanguine means to be hopeful. Sanguine means to be hopeful. It is called appropriate preposition. There are some words in English which take some particular prepositions. They are sanguine of. Here, of will be used after sanguine verb. They are sanguine of their bright future. They are sanguine of their bright future. Here, of will be used. Let me write down the word of. Dear students, you must be mindful, you must be serious, you must be attentive to my class. Albert Einstein, you know that he was a famous scientist. Albert Einstein was indifferent. Indifferent means, here the word indifferent means careless. Careless. Not attentive, inattentive. Indifferent always takes preposition to after it. To. Here, to will be used. Albert Einstein was indifferent to name and fame. Name and fame. Here we shall use to. My dear students, preposition item is always confusing. That is why you must practice this item. You may keep some test papers, grammar books, and you should practice it daily. Number 6, the old man had a strange mad look dash his eyes. The old man had a strange mad look dash his eyes. The old man had a strange mad look dash his eyes. Inside here, the man was very anxious. The sentence is from a poem, Ancient Mariner, named Ancient Mariner by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, a romantic poet. The sentence is a reference of that very poem, The Ancient Mariner. However, the old sailor or the old man had a strange mad look dash his eyes, inside his eyes. As the sentence means inside his eyes, that is why we can use here in his eyes. In will be used in the blank. In his eyes. You see that? It's a miracle. Sometimes we use on, sometimes we use in, for, to, by, with, etc. You have to have a clear conception of preposition and appropriate preposition. It will be helpful for your later life while you will face admission test of medical, BEd and universities. Number 7, I have written he passed dash a few days ago. It is also an appropriate preposition. Here, an appropriate preposition should be used. Dear students, here past, and this verb past will take a particular preposition. Along with that very preposition, it means to die. To die. If we use that very preposition, then it will be a group verbs and it will mean to die. He passed dash a few days ago. Here I think away will be used. That is why he passed away a few days ago. Here the preposition away will be used. Away. Okay, dear learners, the sentence is he passed away a few days ago. That is, he died a few days ago. My dear students, I will try my best to give you a clear conception of preposition and appropriate preposition. You must follow me attentively, seriously. Then, the last of all, I have written here the sentence is everybody is pleased dash his conduct. You must know the meaning of the English sentences. As we are Bengali speaking people, we must collect the meaning of the English sentences. Here I have used some words. Everybody is pleased dash his conduct. Pleased means to be happy, to be glad, to be satisfied. We generally use at or with after the verb please. When you will be pleased directly with someone, then you can use with after verb please. But when you will be satisfied, at the behavior or conduct of a person, then you must use their preposition at. Everybody is pleased. The sentence is everybody is pleased dash his conduct. That is, conduct means behavior, manners. Here we must use the preposition at. Let me write down the word at. That is, everybody is pleased or satisfied at his conduct. Dear learners, English is a compulsory subject. That is why we shall have to overcome the problems of English, trying much more. I will carry on my class. Please pray for me to Almighty Allah so that He may keep us all well. Dear students, in the next class, I will further discuss preposition and appropriate preposition. Okay, dear learners, thank you all.